If you want your posts or videos on TikTok only to be displayed or be seen by your followers, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok account. And once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on profile. Here you will see all the posts or all the videos that you already have on your TikTok account. As you can see, I have this one. And I wish to make this video only visible to my followers, so anyone who is not my follower will not be able to see this. To do that, go ahead and tap on the video that you wish to be only displayed to your followers. And once you're done, now you can go ahead and tap on privacy settings here, or these three dots. If you tap on the three dots, you'll be taken to this menu. Go ahead and scroll until you see privacy settings. If you tap on the same, now you can see the current status of your videos or your posts. They are set to everyone, meaning both your followers and non-followers or non-friends will be able to see this. To restrict this only to your friends, go ahead and choose friends, which means followers you follow back will be able to see this, and I'll choose this now. Once you have chosen that, now this will be available to your followers. So that's how you can change the settings for your videos to your followers on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.